Parodia rigidispina, agrowplants.org, also known as ball cactus, and this is like a general name for Parodia cactus. So this, of course, a cactus, a perennial plant, and if you want to say evergreen, it's possible because the spines are actually the leaves. It can grow in a variety of climate. It's drought tolerant. It can grow in the desert, Mediterranean, subtropical, and can grow in hardiness zone of 10 to 12. Possible to grow it even in 10A, but be aware that need to protect from really heavy snow and winds, very strong winds. Except these, the stem colors are green in oval shape. Can be they look round when they are small, and the flowers can be yellow, orange, white or red. Usually it's just yellow. How to grow it? So better more than -5 Celsius, so it's mean 23 Fahrenheit, and dry soil. So you can start to grow by plant seeds or cutting. Daughter plants, it will be the easier method. Cutting, it's a headache. It is possible, but it is a headache. Explain a little bit more in growplants.org in the website. But if you want to start by daughter plants, this is the most easy way, except if you really insist to start from seeds. Separation is just wash the plant, wash the soil, not the plant itself, but let it dry after this, because a lot of time people don't let it dry fully. So put dry soil in the pot, because it will get a lot of water. It will take you, if the soil is very heavy and very stuck, it might take you like 2-3 days of watering, and this might kill the plants. So it's not very good, but it is possible. Be aware that this plant doesn't like too much water, and this might be a problem in a rainy season. Solution for this, it's a raising bed. If you choose to grow it in a container, will be even better if you have a lot of rain. So it's something that you need to consider, that it's really a headache for the plant. Planting season will be from spring to summer in a hardiness zone of 10, spring to autumn in hardiness zone of 11, and all the year in hardiness zone of 12. Major pests are fungus, coletaricium, something like this. Pruning season can be all the year, usually just dead parts. So the moment that you have dead parts, just cut the dead with a sharp knife, and very important, sterile knife. For you don't want more contamination more than you have already. Except this, the size of the plant between 5 to 20 centimeters, so it's been 2 to 8 inches. It's a slow growing plant in the right conditions that require a small amount of water. Better let it dry between watering, and this plant requires light condition of full sun. It's possible to grow it in a container, there isn't a major problem. Usually take a pot of bigger, 20 to 50% bigger than the root ball. Make it shallow container, let's say, because the roots are shallow, so no point more than this. Use the cactus potting mix or some, let's say, mixed soil with that will be more sandy and with really good drainage. It's important. Every few years, of course, switch the soil and use in the bottom of the container in gravels, little rocks like gravels, lava rocks, or pebbles. Except this blooming season, it's spring to summer, and this plant, it's easy to grow without special requirement. It's usually just, let it grow, don't overwater. It's important, and give it enough sun. So enjoy this beautiful flower. And that's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy and come visit us again.